Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new releases from Aeroclassics and Phoenix. I just got these from Easy Toys. Check them out, easytoys.com. Been buying airplanes from them since around the year 2000, so always get a good deal and always fast shipping. So without any further delay, let's get this unboxing going. They always do a good job packaging. Let's see which model got here first. Got the American Airbus 321. There's another one. I got two of these already. Got Frontier Neo. Gulf Air 787-9 from Phoenix. Another Frontier Airbus 320 Neo. Air Canada 787-9 from Phoenix. Cathay Pacific Airbus 350-1000 from Phoenix. Icelandair 737 MAX 8. And Avianca Airbus 320 Neo. Got one more, Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. First, I'm going to review these four models from Aeroclassic. The Icelandair 737 MAX and the Frontier Airbus 320 Neo. So let's get this review. First, I got the Icelandair 737 MAX 8. Registration is Tango Foxtrot dash India Charlie Echo. This one I've gotten the Southwest. I think was Air Canada and WestJet. And on this one, I got the nose. I don't know if you guys could tell. It's kind of pointy for some reason. It doesn't look like the other ones. I don't know if this is just isolated, but I don't like the way it looks. It makes it look funky. I don't know. And the gear doors are huge. So I don't like the way that came out. So hopefully it's just this one model. Hopefully when you guys get it, it doesn't have that, but kind of disappointed in that, but what are you gonna do? So on this one, besides that, everything else was fine, but that really didn't like that. You know, that took that kind of, the nose is kind of very important. So this one I will have to give 8 out of 10. Next, we have the Frontier Airbus A320 Neo. Registration number is November 309 Foxtrot Romeo. It is Western, the Woodpecker. This one, when I looked at it initially, I didn't see anything. The only critique I got is the nose wheels are a little too small, and one of them, I guess, is not. It's got a chunk on it, so it's kind of like it looks kind of low on the back. I mean, high in the back and low on the front. So that was the only critique that I have for it. So as you could tell, I think you could tell better right there in the nose. Kind of like it wobbles and stuff. So, but besides that, the paint job on it. Everything else, the engines are perfect. You know, like Aeroclassics, the way the mold on the 320. So this one, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Next, we have the Frontier November 310 Foxtrot Romeo. This is Sammy the Color Lizard. This one I did not find anything wrong on the just maybe the left engine a little too low, almost touching it, but you know that's expected. I mean, you're not gonna get these perfectly, but other than that, it's a perfect model. So I would highly recommend getting it. So this one I give it a 9.5 out of 10. And the last one on this list is Frontier November 311 Foxtrot Romeo. This is the Mia the Dolphin. This one again, I couldn't find anything wrong with it. Again, these I see most of these airplanes at least on a weekly basis. See them a lot at work, so they're beautiful. Beautiful paint job. The engines are just perfect. You know, it's perfect to scale. So glad the way Aeroclassics had their mold. So this one again, I give this one a 9.5 out of 10. So I recommend getting I definitely recommend getting the Frontiers A320 Neos. The Icelandair, like again, hopefully it's just isolated. But if any of you out there got this model, let me know if yours came out like this too. So I can't recommend this one because of that, because I'm almost tempted to take it back, and then we're just waiting on the Gemini jets. The next 4 models we got is the Avianca Airbus A320neo, the from Aeroclassics, Air Canada 787-9 from Phoenix, Gulf Air 787-9 from Phoenix, and Cathay Pacific Airbus A350-1000 from Phoenix. Okay, first we have the Avianca Airbus A320neo. Registration number is Papa Romeo Oscar Bravo Delta. Didn't find, looked around. This one looks really good. Didn't find anything wrong with it. Again, Aeroclassics does a good job with this 320 Neo mold. So with this one, I initially gave it a 9.5. Next, we have the Air Canada 787-9 from Phoenix. Registration is Charlie-Foxtrot Uniform Lima, Quebec. The only thing I found on this one was the nose gear is a little was glued on, I guess, too high. So it's the part lower, the aft part is a little lower than it should be. So that's the only thing I found on this one. So just for that, other than that, I didn't find anything else. So I would give this one a 8.5 out of 10. Next, we have Gulf Air 787-9 for Phoenix. Registration is Alpha 9 Charlie Foxtrot Alpha. This one is a beauty. I mean, if you get a chance, I would highly recommend this one. I didn't find anything wrong with it. The paint scheme is just beautiful. They did a really good job. I think it's a new paint job, if I'm not mistaken. But they did a really good job with it. Didn't see any issues. The nose landing gear is correctly installed. So this one I will have to give it a 10 out of 10. This is a perfect model. I didn't see nothing wrong with it. So I highly recommend this one. Then lastly, we have the Cathay Pacific, um, Airbus A350-1000. Registration is Bravo dash Lima X-ray Alpha from Phoenix. I took it around. The only issues I found was the main gear has extra. Guess it's hard to tell, but they have like extra rubber in it. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So it looks funny when you're rolling the tires, just extra rubber sticking out. So kind of looks funny. So besides that, didn't see anything else wrong with it. It's a huge model. It's equivalent to I guess the size of the 777-300 and the Airbus 340-600. So this one, I think, is the first one that the Phoenix got. I think it's the first one that they took out besides the regular Airbus. So they did a good job. I would highly recommend it. This one, you know, you get used to with the landing gear issues and stuff, but you know, this one does have extra rubber in it. So this one, I give it a 8.5 out of 10. But all good scores overall. I very happy with this with all the models. Well, this concludes this unboxing and quick review video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing I will continue to do the MCO Orlando International Airport updates, but I will be doing starting to do Fort Lauderdale Airport updates. Also, stay tuned for that. So until next time, take care.